My name is Chef Harpal Singh Sokhi, and at times you want to enjoy a good garlic bread or a garlic bun. I have improved a version for that. I have a fantastic cheesy garlic bun. Superb thing, I tell you. I've got some olive oil here. Now, if you don't have olive oil, use regular oil. I'm using some extra virgin here. Fantastic. Heat it up to this. I'm going to add loads of garlic, okay? And let it saute for some time. Now, the trick is the buns, okay? What will we do with the buns? Cutting, okay? 1, don't cut it through and through. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's what you need to do. And then turn it around, cut again. 1, 2. So you've got some pattern for it. So there's a pattern to the bun that you've cut. So that it remains. There you see, this one. So this is what is important. The oil will go down. My olive oil thing ready. The garlic is almost brown. Remove this from the pan into this bowl. And next step, mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon. Chilli flakes, 1 tablespoon, okay? Little bit of salt to this, okay? Salt to this. Mix it up well. Get ready. The oven is on, preheated, the buns lined up here. Now, take this beautiful mixture. That's what you need to do. Put it inside. Oh, I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy this. A little bit of oil just to bring in that extra flavor. Same thing here. Can't miss any of this. Beautiful. Finally, with the help of this spoon itself, cheese inside the gashes that you've tried to put as much as you can inside the slits. Ready? Go inside the oven, or if you have a microwave, OTG, you can use that. Inside the oven for not more than 2 minutes. It's going to melt up. The cheese is going to melt, so I'm going to use, because I preheated at 210 and for around 5 minutes, so it's not going to take too much of time, not more than 2 to 3 minutes. In your OTG, similar time, just check the cheese has to be melted. That's about it. Very, very important in this is that you need to fill it up in the gap, the cheese in the gaps, and then put something on the top also, the cheese on top. Makes it nice and tasty, I tell you, with all your breads or just like that. Children are going to love across the world, and it's just not meant for Indian, it's meant for everybody. There you go, just about 2 minutes. Oh, the buns are ready, and as it heats up, it becomes better. So I'm going to use a bigger and better slicer just to pick up the buns, become nice little flowers, and to this, some mixed herbs on top, some chili flakes on top. Yes. This one goes down, this one goes up. Beautiful. Everybody's going to love this. This is amazing. Go ahead and try.